Well, hello there, YouTube. Got the Goldwing all loaded up on the trailer. I made an appointment at Motor Trike in Troupe, Texas. I'm going to have them fix the air ride suspension that hasn't worked in a while. I mean, it works. It pumps up, but it's got a leak somewhere, so it's draining out. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to ask them to check the drive shaft, the rear brakes, because it's all part of Motor Trike, and the rear differential, just to make sure, because a couple years ago I bought some 80-90 weight gear oil and a pump, and I pumped the whole cord in there. It was low. It wasn't working. This is that thing I bought at Harbor Freight, like $29. You put it on, put the Goldwing or motorcycle in there, it holds it up really good. So I got that going. So I'm heading out early in the morning, and that's the plan. And my wife loves the Goldwing. That's why we're going to put it on the trailer and go to Utah, and then hopefully shoot on over to Colorado and do some good stuff. She loves the Goldwing. She hates this thing. My wife hates this because we rode it once, and if I put on the brake, boom, her head knocks. Her head's always knocking into me. We're banging heads. She's never done it on this, so she doesn't want to ride the Spider. She doesn't like it at all. She likes the Goldwing. So that's the big plan. And I'm heading over to Frisco tonight, and I'm going to shoot minor league baseball. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be warm. I got to shoot 10. They pay me and I shoot 10